stretch of runway. We have a movable shadow. We have a back storage closet, and we don't have seat belts, but we have these
Yeah, I still laugh at it. It's just awful. I still laugh at it. So, I should have done my homework, but I don't know what chassis is, but you guys are truck or cars. What is it?
Yeah, it's built on a chassis that's similar to a box truck. It was assembled in Michigan, and then the engine is a Chevy G8 prototype engine. And the company that built it is called Spevco out of North Carolina, and they completely customized it and made the Wienermobile.
Yeah, it's literally a 2024 arena mobile. So, any other particular things you guys are excited about, coming year? That's to be taking a window bit.
I mean, if this is then very crazy.
Well, let's have a round of applause for the hot doggers. Appreciate it. And do go and check it out. Make sure you do a special request, and that is to ask for the coveted wiener whistle. You gotta get a wiener whistle. And that concludes our program for the early afternoon. We're going to take a little bit of a break, and then we will start with the awards presentations. So stay tuned.
Can I have your attention, please? This is for the owners. All the owners need to be at your cars to receive notification around the class awards. Owners, please be at your cars.